Hello guys, welcome to our lesson 4. Well, to give more realism to our project, we are going to establish this step and this step. Take a look here, select the wide and advanced properties and go to step bottom, landings, top landing. Perceive that this mark is unchecked. If you check, you will perceive that we have a top landing. So uncheck this in order to disappear the last step, okay, the last thread in this case. Take a look. Yes, go to bottom landing and select or check create first thread. Okay, now we are going to our model almost complete. Close here and take a look here in wireframe, visual styles, and wireframe visual styles, and let's take a look here, and we are prepared to create our handrailing. The first step is to create in this side. Okay, so we are going to mirror this and select here, isolate, hide objects. Select here, select similar, select here, select similar, and select with right button and isolate or hide objects. Select front and draw again the line. I deleted the line here, but I'm going to draw this same line here in order to, okay, and at 3000 and is 30 degrees. No, it's not okay because our UCS is not suitable. Don't forget to change. Sometimes I forget. Rotate the UCS in X, and after that we are going to take the same procedure. Specify first point and at 3210. Okay. Enter. Return to UCS to world and take a look here. Draw a line here, end point, in here, end point. Because I will use this line to mirror, isolate and object isolation, and what we are going to mirror. We are going to mirror all this, okay? All this part of the modeling. Take a look here. Let's try to select here. Yes, everything selected. When I make a orbit, it's easy to see that everything here is selected, and I will type mirror, specify or let's choose here advanced copy, and select mirror, 2D mirror, select objects, (153) objects selected. Mirror point, select this line in midpoint here. And F8 preview. Okay. Let's save our model, our project, and let's save here. I will save here where I'm going to save. Number 4 for me. Save. Let's take a look here if everything's okay. Take a look here and see that we need another meter here. Meter, confirm, confirm. Change to conceptual visual styles. Again, here, here. Okay, very good. Orbit, and zoom it. Meter again. Click here, confirm. Very good. Take a look here and turn off all the layers to see better the project. Okay, and we have now our project. Well done. We have here another problem here. Here, confirm here. And rotate. Here, confirm. Okay. Save it. And the layer standard, let's turn off. Okay. Wireframe, and here. Turn off. Very good. Conceptual. Yes. Realistic. Let's change this visual styles. Realistic. Where is it? Realistic? Here. Realistic. Shaded. Realistic. Let's change here the background to on. Yes. Okay. Save it. And we have realistic. Okay, I wait for you in our next lesson.